Hey guys, so I have this super cool math strategy that I want to show you with subtracting across zeros so that you don't have to regroup because that tends to be the hardest thing for fourth graders. So before I show you how to do it with zeros, let me show you the why behind it. So I'm going to use a pretty problem. We talked about that in class, a problem that's easy to solve. So 6 take away 3. Yes, I know you know how much that is, but I want to show you what it looks like on a number line. So I have 6, I'm going to take away 3, 1, 2, 3, and then my answer becomes 3. But let's say, for example, I take those numbers and instead I take 1 away from each. So instead of 6 take away 3, I'm going to subtract 1 from 6. That gives me 5. And I'm going to subtract 1 from 3. That gives me 2. So now I'm subtracting 5 take away 2. So 5, 1, 2. It still gives me the same answer because all I'm doing is moving the numbers on my number line. I'm not changing the problem, I'm just moving them. Still gives me the same answer. So let's see how that works with subtracting across zeros. I'm going to clear this space so that I have enough room to show you. All right, so let's say my problem is 7,000 take away 4,321. And just like I showed you on that number line, rather than subtracting these numbers where I know I can't take 1 from 0 and then I've got to go all the way over to the thousands and then keep regrouping all the way over to the ones, I'm just going to simply take 1 away from here and 1 away from here. It was just like that math problem where 6 take away 3 was equal to 3, and then taking 1 away from each of these, 5 take away 2 still equals 3. So I'm going to go ahead and if I take away 1 from 7,000, that leaves me with 6,999. And whatever I do to the brother, I have to do to the sister. So I'm going to do the same thing to my second number and make that 4,320. I'm taking away 1 from 7,000, 1 from 4,321. Now look. Do I have to do any regrouping? That's so cool because I don't like to regroup. So let's go ahead and solve. 9 take away 0 is 9. 9 take away 2 is 7. 9 take away 3 is 6. Drop your comma as you move to the left. And 6 take away 4 is 2. Now if you want to check your work, remember you have to check your work for that problem. Okay, so that means I'm going to take these two numbers and I'm going to do the inverse operation. So instead of subtracting, I'm going to add my two numbers together. I should get this as an answer. 9 plus 0 is 9. 2 plus 7 is 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. Drop your comma. 4 plus 2 is 6. But just so that I'm sure that this answer will be the same for this problem, let me go ahead and put that over here, 2,679, and let me add these two numbers. If this is correct, and I add these two numbers, I should get 7,000. Let's see. 9 plus 1 is 10, put my 0 down, regroup my 1. 7 plus 2 is 9, plus 1 more is 10, regroup my 1. 6 plus 3 is 9, plus 1 more is 10, regroup my 1 and drop my comma. 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. So sure enough, it equals 7,000. Okay, one more quick problem just to prove my point. All right, let's do 9,000. Take away 8,764. Okay, again, whatever I do to the brother, I do to the sister. So if I take 1 away from 9,000, I have to take 1 away from 8,764. If I do that, this will be 8,999. And if I take 1 from here, it'll be 8,763. Subtract. 9 take away 3 is 6. 9 take away 6 is 3, 9 take away 7 is 2, and then 8 take away 8 is nothing. If I check my work, I'm going to add 3 plus 6 is 9, 6 plus 3 is 9, 7 plus 2 is 9, drop your comma, and 8 plus nothing is 8. Let's double check. So let's say we got 236 over here. Take these two numbers, add them together. 6 plus 4 is 10, regroup your 1. 3 plus 6 is 9, plus 1 more is 10, regroup your 1. 7 plus 2 is 9, plus 1 more is 10, drop your comma, regroup your 1, and 8 plus 1 is 9. Works every time. If you don't believe me, give it a try. Make up your own numbers. Keep those zeros on the top. Subtract 1 from the top number, 1 from the bottom number. Remember, whatever you do to the brother, you have to do to the sister. Super cool trick.